Welcome on the channel. Today my personal experience about how to clean safely, of course, such a plastic trims of camper van, car, anyway, not only outside trims but also plastic insides. So let's start. Bit about solvents and cleaners which we using in workshop during the building camper van or other strange jobs or less strange jobs. Generally few words about cleaning plastics and solvents, etc. before we start talking about cleaning trims. What we talking about is a cleaning from residues of glue, like a trimming glue when we carpeting something, or sometimes is drop a piece of paint or something like that. It's not like about cleaning from average dirt or grease. So what I found, because of many different like solvents and even not called solvent or cleaner, but they contain the acetone, and because of that the plastic starts faded, became white in a place we cleaning. In older vans maybe it's not important, but in a newer vans, newer cars, became annoying. Just about what we can use, or what we can use for what, and what we don't have to use at all for plastics especially. First of all, the most common solvents is a white spirit. In the UK, in the States will be mineral spirits. I don't know what exactly it is. It's a quite good degreaser, but the problem is not dissolve any residues of, let's say, trimming glue. I usually use this glue from this gun, but people use the cans for when we trimming with carpets. If we left gaffer tape on the car body, very often is left the glue from it, and is tested by me not only by me, but it's tested, it's quite safely for car bodies. I don't know about what brand, but for sure Sevas, Ducatos, Boxers, Sprinters, Renault from year built 2014 up to 2200, 202. It's not destroy the car body paint. It means it's quite safe. So we can use or car body. I don't wanna use in plastic because few times I try and few times was okay and few times not to the end. So better be on the safer side. Don't use it. Who knows why? What producer changed in such a plastic, bit different or something like that. So this is good for cleaning the residues of gaffer tape or some like a fresh paint from car body. And of course we can use it to clean the residues of, it's quite nicely dissolve. This is normal setting, not drying sealant, which we using for when we fit windows. This type of camper with windows, double glazed windows inside into the van body, and it's quite okay. It's nicely dissolved, and of course not destroy the car paint. So this is important. And second is this is universal thinner, but it's very similar to standard thinners. It's also British name, and this is I not recommend to clean anything inside the car, inside the van, because it's very aggressive. Probably because it's contain a quite big amount of acetone. So this is two things we don't have to use for plastics, but what we can use this is quite good for residues of duct tape, gaffer tape, whatever you call it. So back to the trim glue, carpeting glue, different names I use from this big bottle with sprayer, but like I said, people usually use from cans. The one thing this solves it quite nicely is a PVCU solvent cleaner. It also contains acetone, but it's much less aggressive than standard than this kind of thinners, and we can use it quite safely on everything except these plastics. Of course, it's not too good for the car paint, but it's not so aggressive. So if we spray and clean quite quickly from the paint, for sure not destroy anything. To tell the truth, this brand, this smells badly and I don't like it. The best is same name but with different bottle, but I don't know why, but this maybe was cheaper, or just I cannot buy last time this proper stuff. But it's a good if we wanna clean this trim glue from or carpet glue from furniture, from floor vinyl, etc. We can use it safely. If we spray such a plastic, such a trim with glue, and this is a quite fresh glue, we can use two different stuff also which are not for it. We can use this WD-40, but after this we have to clean these plastics. I don't know how it works. It's not dissolve this glue, but it's allow this take out this glue by cloth, by rag from the trim. But it is quite safe, but we have to clean it. And second, I don't know how it works, but it works again, is silicone spray. Strange but true, but when the glue are quite fresh, it doesn't have to be super fresh, but not like a waiting, I don't know, 2 hours or something like that. It also allow us to wipe the glue from, of course not to big quantity, just like an overspray or something like that, from the plastic trims quite easily. And also it's concerned if we drop some like a paint or something like that. Also few times I just have nothing under my hand and I try, and this is perfectly safe for cleaning this plastic, because to tell the truth is for cleaning plastics, etc. And we can use it if it's fresh paint. And the best solution, this is really the best solution for cleaning plastics, is because the producer of this tensor grip also produces the adhesive for trimming, and is quite safe. Smell nicely, of course it's still harmful for people don't drink it at all, but is 100% safe for cleaning plastic. Even if this glue are quite old, it means it sits on the trim long time, we can spray it, waiting some time to dissolve this adhesive, and just wipe it, clean it, 100% checked by me. I do it many times. Of course, like I said, I don't check on all cars in the world. I can tell only about, you know, Ducatos, Boxers, Sprinters, and a few other bigger trucks. But it works perfectly. Only one disadvantage is, ouch, this can cost me around 20 quid. It's quite expensive stuff, but it's perfect. So I can recommend of course, always you should try somewhere, but for vans like a Seville's vans and sprinters between 2014 up to 2023, absolutely safe. Of course, this is disclaimer, check it before you use it, etc, etc, but of course we always have to check everything, don't believe in YouTube too much, but for me this is the best. This is the best how it works. Also we can use it for cleaning nearly everything. Is for this adhesive, as you see, but is very safe and very functional. From time to time I use it to remove it when I use it to remove the residues, not residues, like a fresh silicone or fresh sealant, even like a EBC plus sealants, etc. When I use it for remove the fresh overspill paint from plastic. I know, so this is safe for plastic, so I without any hesitate using on plastics, because and for like a vinyl, for just for everything. This is like a nearly 100% solving cure for every like a problems with dirt inside the car. Of course, I'm looking for something bit cheaper. If anybody have questions, please ask me. Maybe I can give some information about it. So, that's for now. See you next time. Don't forget to leave a comment and like it.